आता आमचे मुखार येता Christine Francisco on the pianoforte. She will be performing Serenata Andaluza by the Spanish composer Manuel de Falla. Please welcome Christine on stage.
असलो एक महान संगीतकार म्हटल्यार आंतोनियो विवाल्डी. He could paint birds, streams and breezes, all with one single violin.
So now we have on stage Natasha Pereira presenting two movements from Spring by Antonio Vivaldi. She's accompanied on the pianoforte by teacher Ranisa Azevedo. रुएला, केन्ना तुवें सुकण्याचो आवाज ची ट्यून आयकला? Do we listen to the sounds of nature nowadays as we do not have time at all? Right?
We have before you not 3 birds, but 3 singers. Tabitha De Mello, Janice Parash, and Vinita Fernandez, with their a cappella performance of The Lark in the Morn by Harvey Loomis.
I was walking one morning in the spring. I met a dancer so sweet, she did sing. And as we were walking, this what she did she will whistle and sing, and at night she'll return to her own nest back again. She will return when day's work is over. The boy he will come to that old market to buy a horse. He'll drink the nut brown ale with a fair maid on his knee. Sing good luck to the ploughboy, wherever he may be, wherever he be.
Our quartets. The first piece is Moon Rising by Lou Ward, and the second piece is called Four Little Birds in a Jar, composed by Akis Filios.
संगीत वाजोवप्यांची नांवां अशीं आसात: स्नायडा आंद्राद, नेथन फेर्नांडीस, डेव्हिड डिसूजा, विल्बर मेस्किटा and Josian Rodriguez. तांचो शिक्षक ग्लेन लॉर्ड रॉड्रिगीज. चीत दिवन आयकुया.
From the soaring harmonies of an English madrigal to the vibrant rhythms of a Konkani folk song, our senior choir will cheer your hearts with music that is powerful and unforgettable.
Our senior choir will now perform for us All Star, an English madrigal by Greg Kemp. This will be followed by Kunbi Chaki, a popular Goan folk song arranged by Father Romeo Montero, accompanied on the pianoforte by teacher Luella Fernandez. This choir is conducted by teacher Preeti Coutinho. Now performing for us, the sopranos, Vanya, Ranisa, Tabitha, Janice, Larissa, Tanisha, Shania, Lenoshka, Catherine, and Beverly. Alto section consists of Tainija, Ria, Crystal, Rizia, Anli, Itzel, Jocelyn, Natasha, and Gabriella. Tenors are Brian, Clyde, Melvin, Noel, Clinton, Valerio, Francis, Alico, and Manuel. And the bass voices are Kyron, Roy, Jean Baptista, Joel, Adriano, Amit, Antonio, Matthew, Sandroy, and Stephen.
So much to see, so what's wrong with taking the back streets? You never know if you don't know. You'll never shine if you don't know. Oh hey, naughty, 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 hey now, go play. Hey naughty, 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 hey now, get paid, and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. It's a cool, cool place, and it's a gets colder. But love now, wait till you get older. But the meteor men beg to differ, judging by the hole in the satellite picture. Ice we ice and the stage is thin. The water's getting warm, so you might as well swim. My world's on fire. Fire, 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 get cold. Oh hey, naughty, 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 hey now, go play. Hey naughty, 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 hey now, get paid, and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. Oh hey, naughty, 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 hey now, go play. Hey naughty, 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 hey now, get paid, and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold, and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
Once a composer said he wanted his music to make people feel like they were walking through a peaceful meadow.
होय, संगीत आमकां वेगवेगळी भावना आमच्या मनांत, काळजांत आनी जिणेंत उत्पन्न करता. आमचे मुखार येता आमची वायलन वाजोवपी भुरगीं, आपले मन बुलोवपी संगीत घेवन.
So get ready for our junior string ensemble, guided by teacher Goretti Pinero, performing for us Pastorale by Mazas and Un Poco Presto by Stunts. Happy listening.
Hey
what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby, I like ballroom dancing.
Ballroom dancing?
Yes.
What's that? Do you mean people be in a room throwing cricket balls and footballs at each other?
Oh my god, no. Ballroom dances are basically recreational dances of the Western world, often danced by couples.
Oh, you mean cha-cha-cha, waltz, bolero, tango?
Yes. Now, we will have our young violinists and cellists who will give us a taste of ballroom dances of old. They will be playing for us two pieces, Minuet, composed by Johann Sebastian Bach, followed by Polka, written by Bedřich Smetana. This ensemble is trained by our teacher Frederica Gotha. Happy listening.
Oslo एक महान संगीतकार म्हटल्यार आंतोनियो विवाल्डी. He could paint birds, streams and breezes, all with one single violin.
So now we have on stage Natasha Pereira presenting two movements from Spring by Antonio Vivaldi. She's accompanied on the pianoforte by teacher Ranisa Azevedo.